Wanted to show you guys a house that we have here in Little Rock that will be up for sale through owner financing in the near future. Show you around real quick what the house looks like. We've redone a lot of it inside and outside to make it a nice first home. We're going to walk through real quick. Here's the living room, fireplace. It's a good size. Over here we have a bedroom to the right, bathroom. This could be another living room. And if we go left, here we are in the kitchen. Redone a lot of this. And we'll take a quick tour upstairs. This is a laundry room in the back. Good sized backyard. Deck on the back. And here we'll go upstairs to another 2 bedrooms. Bedroom to the left, another good sized room. This is the master bed. Closets, and then over here we walk into another bathroom. As I said, this one will be available soon. We're going to do owner financing on this one.